The Oracle of Omaha is 92. So here's wishing Mr. Buffett a very happy birthday from all of us here at CNBC-TV18. It's impossible to do justice to the legacy and what he's accomplished in his 92 years in a 90-second piece. The easiest thing, which is what I'm going to do, is just pick out the stats. Right? I mean, what has he done in terms of making money? Net worth at $100 billion, all data sourced, of course, from Bloomberg. And that's quite something. Where does that $100 billion get him in the rich list? At number 6 globally. In his industry, which is fund management, at number 1. The fact that he's made all this money without running a business, but purely by investing over decades, is an accomplishment all in itself. The $100 billion is about 5% if you added the top 20 billionaires and their wealth, 2.5%, 1.9 and 1.4 respectively here. So the numbers are truly staggering. How much is Mr. Buffett's wealth as measured by various things? And this is data pulled quite helpfully by my colleague Yusuf. So in gold, this is what it amounts to. In crude oil, which of course is nowadays a very volatile commodity, it's about 957 million barrels. In terms of US GDP, in terms of Indian GDP, as I said, very, very large numbers. If Mr. Buffett himself were a company listed in the S&P 500, he would be ranked 77. No mention of Mr. Buffett, of course, is complete without his longtime pal, partner, a co-investor, Charlie Munger. And of course, I mean, both of these have given so much to the world of investing. While I put out the stats and they're easy to rattle off, I think the real impact they've had on teaching investors how to look at a business, treating it as a business and not a stock price which moves up and down daily, I think that's been invaluable. Things like greed and fear, how to take both, and of course, treating and trying to buy a company at reasonable valuations and holding it forever. I mean, absolutely fantastic impact on investor psyche all around the world, here in India included. So just to wrap it up, here's wishing Mr. Buffett once again a very happy birthday.